Jadi sangat berarti kehadiran Unicef, sangat berarti kehadiran IKEA Foundation. Saya berharap kerjasama ini masih terus kita bisa laksanakan dalam waktu yang panjang.
This one is good, combining the traditional just jumping but actually to learning, so that is very good. I'm going to tell when I go back home that you should do that as well for our day.
Amazing seeing the kids, amazing seeing the good work that Unicef does. It's been great to see the teachers and what they do and participate. A lot of pictures, a lot of smiling. Overall, just really good.
I have been really enjoying the hospitality of the people are really nice, really friendly, really warm, welcoming. It's such a pleasure to be here. I'm learning a lot. I got to meet the kids this morning. It was really nice to see them, smiley faces. Though they didn't have much, though they didn't have everything, but they are happy and smiling. So it was such a great feeling to see them in the kindergarten.
I mean, everything has been amazing. I have the opportunity to see so much new things and experience new things and get to know these people and talk to them. I've learned so much about life, and I'm so grateful to be here, and I have no complaints about anything. It has been all great.
Hospitality and friendliness is amazing. I feel so welcomed here, and everybody is very enthusiastic about teaching.
We met teachers who are super skilled. They were excellent with the children.
Kami selalu mensosialisasikan apabila kita sudah men-share satu kegiatan.
Really eye-opening, and the welcome has been so heartwarming, and we are so honored to be here to meet all these lovely kids and teachers and parents, and it really shows how this is meaningful for people who are here. So really thankful to be here. Activities are really motivating. The teachers are so enthusiastic. It is very, very nice to see how they share the experience, and I have a lot of hope for the children of Indonesia seeing this happening here.
Amazing. It's very hard to, in a few words, to say that what we really have seen, but so open and happy people and smart and happy children, and then teachers that are really motivated. So it's really, really amazing, and we are very happy. I am very happy to see that.